we're going to explore the different approaches or methods to building a six-sided sail as opposed to a normal four-sided sail. The first approach is very much like a normal four-sided sail. So we're going to draw a corner mesh, and you can see I've increased the M surf slightly, and we simply select the four outside corners, and then selecting the mesh we drag one of the vertices to the midpoint, and then select everything and relax as a cable edge mesh. So that's our first method. In the next method we'll build the mesh as two meshes. So I'll go for an even mesh density, and this time we build two meshes. Follow the instructions. In AutoCAD it's bottom left, in Rhino the instructions will be up the top, and there we have our two meshes. We select everything, and this time we relax as a joined edge mesh because we have a joined edge in the middle, and we have exactly the same result. We have our six-sided sail. This approach would be used when you want to gain more control over the edge shape here. So if, for example, we wanted to avoid a piece of equipment, we may want to increase the depth of the catenary on this side. It's also very useful when you have very asymmetric shapes, something like this, for example, where an even mesh doesn't work. So this is a useful approach for building six-sided meshes. Another approach is to use the high part tool. So here we're going to simulate a round edge, so an easy slide or easy glide, whatever brand you use. Again, we build exactly the same way as we did before. We'll remove these two 3D polylines that were produced by MPanel. We'll connect this mesh to this mesh corner and this to this corner. Delete the two unused links, and now when we relax as a joined edge mesh, we'll now have links in the corners which represent accurate links for sails with easy slide, so a continuous edge cable. A further approach would be to add links manually to any of these meshes. So for example, if we wanted to add a 200 long link, we would simply select the mesh, connect to the other end of the link, and relax again. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or have suggestions for other videos you'd like to see, please let us know at support@mpanel.com.